Today we'll see how to install MongoDB on 32-bit version. So go on Google, type here MongoDB download 32-bit. After that you will get a click on the web page windows for downloads for Win32 MongoDB. As 32-bit version, we have to find out here like which version you want, where here if you found like the name given like Win32 means Windows 32 MongoDB, Win32 underscore i386 means it is an 32-bit version. So either you can download MSI version or you can download a zip file. So here I am clicking on a zip file. So once you click, it is going to give you one error, like one message like can't be downloaded securely. Just click on here keep, so it will get downloaded here. It requires around 20 to 30 seconds to download it. After downloading, it will give you the zip file which will be available in your downloads. I'm just pausing a video for some. So here the download is completed. So go to your downloads folder. You will find out one zip file there. Just copy or cut that file from that location. Go on C:, and paste that zip version. Now right click on a zip version and click on extract here. So that file will be get extracted on the location of C:. So here the file is extracted. So just click on that folder. You will find out a bin folder there. Click on bin. Now in a bin, right click on from your mouse and create a new folder. Give any name to that folder. Suppose I have given here the name as SNJB. You can give any name. So this is a path or folder where all your database or data created in MongoDB get stored here. After that, go to your command prompt by pressing the CMD on your start window. So here first go to your parent directory. On parent directory, go to your MongoDB, just click on CD MO and you can just press a tab button, so automatically all the part will come here. Then click on CD and bin. So we have gone to the bin folder of MongoDB. After that you have to type there one command to start the server. MongoDB works in a client server architecture. So I'm just copying that command. This command you will get in my description box also. So what is exactly that command is? Here if you see that command is MongoD space dash dash storage e capital engine equal to mmapv1, then again space dash dash db path space and the name of folder you have created. As I have created snjb folder, so I have given here snjb. After that, if you scroll down, you will find out like your server is started here, and now server is in a listening mode. That means it is waiting for the connection for client on port 27017. This is a port number used by MongoDB. So here our server has been started. Now we have to start the client. So again click on a start. write down cmd. Again, go to the parent folder and start go to your MongoDB and then bin folder, and now we have to start the client here. So just type mongo, that is Mongo. So here your client has been started. So this window is to start. Here your server is there, where after waiting you can see that he has like returned that one connection is accepted from the same machine. So 127.0.01 means on same machine we have started client as well as server, and one connection is now open, means one client is connected. In the client window, after you have pressed the Mongo, so he has just connected to the server and he has given a prompt, that is this triangular prompt. So now you can write down your command on MongoDB. So here you just type like first command I will give you like db command. So this command is used to find out like which database is available. We'll see the different commands lettered word. When you want to exit from MongoDB, this is again very important step. Just press an exit button. Close this window so your client has been stopped. When you stop the client, you will see at your server side after connection accepted, you will find one more instruction given, that is connection is ended. So there is no connection is open with the server. Now you can close the server just by pressing a Control C. You don't close this window directly, it will crash your server. So first press from your keyboard Control C. So it will stop or shut down your Mongo server. And now you can close this window. I hope you understood the things. The important commands I have added in the description. Just go there. Thank you so much for watching.